Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an inventory UI. We will begin by outlining the essential elements of any inventory system. Then, we will dive into designing a straightforward grid layout, which is crucial for organizing items visually. Finally, we will establish the fundamental interactions, allowing users to select and manage their inventory items with ease. This method focuses on simplicity and efficiency. Now, let's focus on building the visual structure. You will create a main panel to serve as your inventory container. Inside this, we will add individual slots, each measuring approximately 64 by 64 pixels, to hold your items. Utilizing a horizontal and vertical layout group will automatically arrange these slots, ensuring a clean and organized appearance without manual positioning. This approach saves significant development time. With our grid ready, it's time to bring items to life. Each item in your inventory will be represented by its own UI element, typically an image. You will assign a unique icon to each item using an image component within its slot. Crucially, we will set up click events, allowing users to interact with items, whether to select them, use them, or view their details. This makes the inventory functional and engaging. Finally, let's integrate the UI with a basic backend and add some polish. You will link your visual inventory slots to a simple data structure, such as an array or list, to manage item quantities and types. Ensure the UI updates automatically whenever an item is added, removed, or moved. Adding visual feedback, like a subtle highlight on selected slots, significantly enhances the user experience. These final touches make your inventory feel complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.